Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Know your Wi-Fi SSID and password and make sure the router and TV are powered. Using the Samsung remote, press Home, navigate to Settings, then General and Network to start. Select Open Network Settings to let the TV scan. This initiates the first handshake so the TV can see nearby networks. Once the list appears, move to select your network. Make sure you choose the correct 4 GHz or 5 GHz band for range and speed. After selecting your Wi-Fi network, you'll enter the password using the on-screen keyboard or the SmartThings mobile app for faster input. Type slowly and use the Show Password option to avoid typos. Incorrect characters cause failed authentication. Next, let the TV obtain an IP address automatically via DHCP unless your network requires a static IP. Then enter the IP, gateway, and DNS manually. Once credentials are accepted, the TV tests the connection to confirm internet access and downloads any available network settings. You finish by running the built-in connection test to verify internet access and allow the TV to install recommended firmware updates. If the test fails, reboot both router and TV, then retry. Small position changes can improve signal strength, so move the router or remove obstructions. For persistent issues, use a wired Ethernet connection for stability or choose to reset network settings on the TV and reconfigure from scratch. If nothing works, note one key tip. Check router parental control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.